In this video, you will learn how to import or aid bulk patrons records in Koha Integrated Library Software. So let's start. Click on Tools, click on Import Patrons. Download a starter CSV file for the data entry of patrons record. Save it at your desired location. These are the mandatory fields. You must enter them while entering the record of patrons in the downloaded CSV file. See your branch code and category code of your library from Koha Administration. Now open the file and make entries of your patrons. We will create 3 dummy entries for your understanding, filling only the mandatory fields and some other necessary fields. You can enter data in all of your required fields. Don't make any amendments in the field names on the top row. These are the fields you must take care of. In our library, the branch code is IN4 and the category code is ST. Close the file and save it. Now open the file from Choose File. Click on Import to start the process. Depending on your file size, it will take some time to upload. Two records are imported, one not imported because the card number 1 was already allotted to Koha admin, and thus ignored. You must take care of the field card number because it will create duplication, and the record will not be imported. Now we will check all the 3 patrons one by one to confirm their record in Koha. This is the Koha admin account for which we already assigned card number 1. In this way, You can import your library's patrons' records within minutes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos. Keep watching Information Spot.